The Gem Retro Digital Camera. Can you really take pictures with this little $15 cute thing from Target? Chris Viola here with a look at shooting actual photographs with this thing. Showed you the unboxing last week. A little more here about the controls and stuff, and we'll take some pictures and see how it does this week. So here's the Retro Digital Camera. It says full HD on the lens, but I'll be honest, I haven't really tried that. On top you have a fake power button and the yellow shutter release. No tripod socket, though why you'd want to put this on a tripod, I couldn't guess. On this side, it has an internal battery, so there's a USB-C port to charge it, and there's a micro SD slot for saving your images. You have to have a micro SD card in there to save your images. And on the back you have a couple of interesting controls. Let's start with power. Up here, you hold it until it plays a little song, and you get four icons back here: photography, video, playback, and settings. We're just going to focus on photography today, so this is pretty straightforward. When you have the camera pointed at what you want to take a picture of and the icon, the photography icon, is flashing, you simply push the shutter button and you get your switches to your viewfinder type of screen. And then if you, I'm going to try to not get my arms in the way here so you can see this. If you take the image, you get this little animation where it shows you what it's going to frame. Now, interestingly, it only frames about maybe 2/3 of the screen here, and then the picture flies off. I think children, I know my grandson adores this thing and the way it works. It shows them what they're doing. You do have some other controls here. It puts you in selfie mode. I guess it's the one on the right that puts you in selfie mode, not the one on the left there. Why you'd want to do this again, I am not sure, but it does do it. And now we're back to regular mode here. This is a timer. And if you are jealous of Instagram, this puts frames and filters and things on it. The down arrow and the up arrow walks through them. You walk back up to nothing, which is my preferred setting, of course. So let's take a look at some of the photos. I took some photos walking around the park here before I started this video, and I will tell you right away, I've taken some photos inside, and they were about what you would expect from a 3-megapixel camera. So kind of soft and grainy. I think it likes light, lots and lots of light, like any small sensor camera. So let's take a look at some of the images we shot today. So what's the bottom line? Is it as good as my Sony A7R2 or my Pentax K3 Mark III monochrome? Heck no. What are you, from Jersey? Of course not. This thing is $15, and to be blunt, it would be worth it if it was $50 and it was a nice little camera for kids and for just lomography style stuff. Go take a look at what lomography's charging for things. You'd be kind of shocked. Even used digicams are going for a lot more than this. It's small, it's cute, it takes reasonably good photos. It certainly punches way above its weight. It's great value. And if your kid breaks it, throw it out and get, buy 3. When one breaks, throw it out and just get the other one out. Get the same color, they'll never even notice. That's it for today. Fiola out.